session going to discuss with reference to the main important features of the chemical composition of DNA. Chemically, DNA is made up of three important components, namely deoxyribose sugar, the second one is phosphate group, the last one is nitrogenous bases. Are the three important chemical compounds naturally found in DNA. Because of the presence of three important chemical compounds, the DNA is popularly designated as biological polymer. Biological polymer. The first important component found in the DNA is called deoxyribose sugar. It is a type of pentose sugar derivative. It is a type of monosaccharide. It is characterized by the presence of 5 carbon atoms. The chemical formula of deoxyribose sugar is C5H10O4. Because of the presence of 5 carbon atoms, the type of the sugar is called pentose sugar derivative, in which the 4 carbon atoms and 1 oxygen atoms are found in a ring. The 4 carbon atoms and 1 oxygen atom is found in a ring, but the 5th carbon atom is present outside the ring. The 5th carbon atom is present outside the ring. Such a unique type of pentose sugar derivative is called deoxyribose sugar. As I earlier said, it is a type of pentose sugar derivative. It is a type of monosaccharide. Because of the presence of 5 carbon atom, it is designated as pentose sugar, in which the 4 carbon atoms and 1 oxygen atom are found in a ring, but the 5th carbon atom is present outside the ring. The second important compound found in the DNA is called phosphate group. It is the derivative of phosphoric acid. It is a derivative of phosphoric acid. Its chemical formula is H3PO4. It contains 1 phosphorus atom. Because of the presence of 1 phosphorus atom, it is popularly designated as monophosphate derivative. It is popularly designated as monophosphate derivative. And it contains 4 oxygen derivatives. It contains 4 oxygen atoms. It is responsible for the exhibition of acidic nature. For the exhibition of acidic nature of nucleic acids, it requires the essentiality of phosphate group. Its chemical formula is H3PO4. It contains 1 phosphate atom. Because of the presence of 1 phosphate atom, it is a type of monophosphate derivative. It is responsible for the acidic nature of the nucleic acid. The most important chemical compound found in the DNA is called nitrogenous bases. Called nitrogenous bases. These are the nitrogenous containing heterocyclic compounds. These are the nitrogen containing heterocyclic compound. These are 2 types of nitrogenous bases, namely purines and pyrimidines. Purines and pyrimidines. Purines and pyrimidines are the 2 important types of nitrogenous bases found in the nucleic acids. Purines are 9-membered. Purines are 9-membered compounds. double rings with comprising of nitrogenous bases only at first, third, in the seventh and in the ninth position. You can find the presence of nitrogenous derivatives. These are two types, namely adenine and guanine. The adenine and guanine are the purine derivative found in the DNA. The second important nitrogenous base is called pyrimidines. Pyrimidines are small six-membered compounds. They are single ring with nitrogenous bases only at first and in the third position. These are the six-membered derivatives. They are single ringed compounds with nitrogenous bases at 1 and in the third position. There are two types of pyrimidines, namely cytosine and thymine. Cytosine and thymine are said to be the two important types of pyrimidine derivative found in the DNA. The next important aspect is with reference to nucleoside. In a valid terminology, the nucleoside is defined as a complex produced by the combination of nitrogenous base and the pentose sugar is called nucleoside. It is defined as a complex produced by the combination of nitrogenous base and the pentose sugar led to the formation of nucleoside. A nitrogenous base is linked to the pentose sugar derivative through N-glycosidic linkage, or by using N-glycosidic bond, the nitrogenous base combines with the pentose sugar derivative led to the formation of nucleoside. The DNA is characterized by the presence of four important types of nucleosides. The first important nitrogenous base is called adenine. Adenine combines with the deoxyribose sugar led to the formation of deoxyadenosine. The second one is guanine. Guanine combines with the deoxyribose sugar led to the formation of deoxyguanosine. The third one is cytosine. Cytosine combines with the deoxyribose sugar led to the formation of deoxycytidine. Thymine combines with the deoxyribose sugar led to the formation of deoxythymidine. The four important nucleoside derivatives found in the DNA are namely deoxyadenosine, deoxyguanosine, deoxycytidine and deoxythymidine are the four important nucleoside derivatives found in the DNA. The next important aspect is called nucleotide. The nucleotide is defined as the complex produced by the combination of nucleoside with the phosphate group. Nucleoside with the phosphate group is called nucleotide, or it is also designated as the combination of nitrogenous base, pentose sugar and phosphate group is called nucleotide. Nucleotides are the basic units of nucleic acids. Nucleotides are the basic units of nucleic acids. The phosphate group is linked to the nucleoside through phosphoester bond. A phosphate group is linked to OH group of a nucleoside through phosphoester linkage. DNA is characterized by the presence of 4 types of nucleotides, namely, the first important one is deoxyadenosine. When it combines with the phosphate group, the type of the phosphate group found in the DNA is called monophosphate derivative, led to the formation of deoxyadenosine monophosphate. The second one is called deoxyguanosine. Deoxyguanosine combines with the phosphate group, led to the formation of deoxyguanosine monophosphate. Deoxycytidine combines with the phosphate group, led to the formation of deoxycytidine monophosphate. The last important one is deoxythymidine combines with the phosphate group, led to the formation of deoxythymidine monophosphate. Are the four important types of nucleotide derivatives. Commonly found in the DNA. With reference to the type of the bond found in between the nucleotide, that is said to be the phosphodiester bond. With reference to the main important salient features of the phosphodiester bond, in a valid terminology, it is defined as a chemical bond is formed between phosphate group of one nucleotide and the pentose sugar of another nucleotide is called phosphodiester bond. In a valid terminology, the phosphodiester bond is defined as a chemical bond is formed between phosphate group and pentose sugar of another nucleotide is called phosphodiester bond. The two nucleotides are linked through 3,5 phosphodiester bond. With the help of phosphodiester bond or the link, it will form a dinucleotide chain resulting in the formation of polynucleotide strands. Number of such nucleotides are linked to form a polynucleotide chain, and polymer is formed, characterized by the presence of phosphate group toward the 5th position of the pentose sugar. The other distillate is characterized by the presence of OH group. It is characterized by the presence of 3' end of the polynucleotide chain is formed. 3' end of the polynucleotide chain is formed. This is with reference to the main important features of phosphodiester bond. It is a chemical bond formed between phosphate group of one nucleotide and pentose sugar of another nucleotide is called phosphodiester bond. Okay, thank you children. In the next class, you will going to discuss with reference to the double helical structure of DNA, Watson and Crick model of DNA. Thank you.